Hello everyone, and welcome to Overland Calling. My name's Brian, and today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the armor. So, throughout this past year, my armor has taken some really good hits. It's done a great job protecting the vehicle, but I'm starting to get some rust going on, and it's time to do a little bit of maintenance on that. This armor's treated me well, so it's about time for me to take care of it. Time to knock that rust off and throw a new coat of paint on. Now, I do not recommend using this method to paint the armor on your vehicle if you're worried about overspray getting on the paint, because with this method, you will get overspray. If you want to do it 100% right, then you need to actually tape it off and make sure that you don't get anything extra on your paint. But for me, I've got so many scratches and pinstriping that honestly, I don't think you'll ever notice. The paint that I'm using is Rustolium Truck Bed Liner, and I actually painted this entire back bumper with this spray paint. Primed it a couple times, and then I used this to give me that kind of powder coat look. And even on the pieces that I powder coated, you can't really tell a difference between this truck bed liner and the pieces that are powder coated. I know I'm going to bang this armor up anyway, so I figured this is a good way to still take care of it, protect it from the elements, but it doesn't have to be showroom perfect. If you're looking for a way to take care of the armor on your vehicle, touch it up and keep it safe from rust, I highly recommend this. It's worked out extremely well for me, and it's very affordable. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll put a link up here, but honestly, you can go to your local hardware store most likely and pick this stuff up. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe, hit notifications if you're interested in seeing more. Till next time, enjoy the ride.